Day 2, and this whole thing is going great. So good. After lunch today, I went home, I downloaded the files, and the audio was trash. I don't know what happened, but yeah. So I'll give you a quick rundown on what happened today. Woke up at 5, got Wordle in 4, ran around town, got everything to get the restaurant stocked up and ready for service tonight. Then I figured out what we're gonna eat, which is chorizo stuffed poblano with some corn and black beans. And then, oh yeah, I got some chips today that were delicious. I had to go to 2 extra stores just to get chorizo, and nobody had the chorizo that I wanted, so well, that catches us up, and I think we can continue from today. Chorizo stuffed poblanos are super delicious and easy. Get all your ingredients together and scrape out the inside of poblanos before cooking off some chorizo, adding onions, garlic, black beans, corn, cumin, coriander, and salt. Then stuff your peppers by adding a layer of cheese, then a layer of your chorizo, and topping that off with another layer of cheese. Bake this off at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Top that with some chipotle aioli, cotija, a sprinkling of cilantro, and a little lime cheek. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.